Welcome to Around the World HD. Today we're gonna show you how to make Chitoi pitha and Bappa pitta, one of the famous pittas we have in Bangladesh, where people eat them in the winter time. So please watch the video till the end, and if you do like it, please press the bell icon and please subscribe our channel Around the World HD for more latest updates, videos, new documentaries and new travel experiences around the world. And also we will be getting shortly some more new videos from Dubai, Bangladesh and other countries around the world. So please make sure to press the bell icon and please subscribe our channel. Plenty comment and plenty share. We'll be very happy. Thank you very much and enjoy the video till the end. Thank you again.
बाबा पिटा ना बोखा पिटा डेली कत टाका बिक्री হয় এটা আমাদের কিটা
চিতল পিঠা
ও চিতল পিঠা সরা আর এটা
প্লেটে দিলো
চিতল পিঠা
লাগিয়ে দিলো